Let's make this 2-ingredient garlic butter together. I start by removing the flowers as I don't find them to have the right texture for the butter. Then I cut my scapes into 1 to 2 inch sections before adding them to the food processor. This is entirely optional. You do not need to cut your scapes into sections if you would like to save yourself some time. I'm using scapes that I harvested from the garlic we're growing in our homestead garden. If you don't have a garden or you're currently not growing any garlic, you can see if you can find scapes at the farmer's market. Time for the food processor. I don't measure anything, I just use all the scapes that I had. I also don't add any liquid during the processing, as I would like to freeze the butter for the winter months and don't want any additional liquid mixed in. So I simply scrape down the sides from time to time and continue processing until I achieve the consistency of almost paste-like. The consistency that you're looking for, again, is a preference. How large do you want your garlic pieces to be in your butter? Room temperature butter works best. If you forget to take it out, you can always pop it into the microwave for a few seconds. I'm starting with 4 sticks of butter in my KitchenAid. Again, this will depend on how many scapes you had and how much butter you're looking to make. Since I only do this once a year, I make a very large batch. Start adding your paste mix to the butter. And again, scrape down the sides from time to time to make sure you don't have any clumps of butter and everything is well incorporated. Here you'll see I added a little bit too much of the paste for my taste. So I'll add another stick of butter. Wrong with giving it a taste test. A piece of buttered garlic toast may give you all the information you're looking for on what to do with your butter. More scapes, more butter, uneven mix. That's a lot of garlic butter. To push it out, I just line my cookie sheets with parchment paper and use ice cream scoops to make small balls for individual use. Ice cream scoops are so versatile in the kitchen. portions that you can use for a number of different dishes on top of your steak, on top of baked potatoes, into your vegetables. Another option for freezing butter is just making a log of butter rather than individual small portions. And for this, I simply roll it and push back on the parchment paper. But you do whatever works for your family, however you want to use it. This might be a great option for rolls at Thanksgiving dinner. Thanks for watching.